Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fry Trades. Today we're going to be doing another road vehicle here, and we're going to be building this Gazelle business van. And this is what it looks like here. I tried to do my best on it, but there's only so many details you can get when we get down to this scale. So let's get right into the build. So we'll start off with the front wheels, and we're going to put Blackstone brick block. And then on the upper hitbox, we'll do 2 deep slate brick slabs and another Blackstone brick block. On either side, put a stone button. On the front of it on this upper hitbox, 2 rows of 4 deep slate brick slabs. Then behind this, we'll use our deep slate brick slabs on the upper hitbox, and we'll come back 8 blocks. And then go ahead and fill this all in so it's 4 wide. Behind this, we'll do a deep slate brick block on either side and 2 slabs in the middle, and then 2 rows of 4 slabs behind it. Then a stone button on the side of the wheel here, and here. Then we'll take out smooth quartz, put 2 here, across the back and right here, then an upside down smooth quartz stair above each of these wheels. In front of this, 8 smooth quartz blocks on each side. And then another upside down smooth quartz stair above each of these wheels. Then another smooth quartz block in front of each stair here. Then we're going to come up to the front and put a deep slate brick stair on either side like this. And then we need deep slate tile stair and slab. We're going to change these 2 slabs to deep slate tile, and then 2 deep slate tile stairs in the middle like this. Then behind this, 2 smooth quartz here. Then we're going to take out smooth quartz stairs, put 2 in the middle, and a smooth quartz slab on either side of the stairs here. Right behind that, we'll come 4 across with smooth quartz blocks. And then we're going to come all the way down each side with smooth quartz to the back. Then come inside here and we'll go ahead and fill this middle 2 wide with chiseled polished Blackstone block. Now come to the back and we're going to put 2 iron doors right here. Then we'll come up front across here and we're going to put 4 black stained glass panes. Then 2 black glass blocks on either side behind it and fill in this front middle. Under here put 2 smooth quartz. Down here, a fence gate and a lever. Turn around and put a dark oak stair for the seat. Then 2 stone brick walls behind it. And you can leave this back empty, or if you want some shelves, we can put 2 high bookshelves in here. Then on the side, behind the window here, a smooth quartz block. Then 2 upside down stairs, smooth quartz block. 2 upside down smooth quartz stairs, a block, an upside down stair, and a block. Copy it here, so we'll do a block, upside down stair, block, 2 upside down stairs, block, 2 upside down stairs, and a block. Now come right here, put a temporary block, put a wither skeleton skull at an angle, take out the temporary block and put a lever under it. Then right here a stone button and down there. Then a stone button here. 1 on this side here, 1 here, 1 here. Then right here a temporary block, a sideways wither skeleton skull, and put a lever under it. Then come back here, put a stone button here, and on this side here. Then 1 here under that door. Come up top with smooth quartz slabs. We're going to go 2 wide in the middle, bring it to the back above these doors, and then bring it to the front above these first glass blocks. Then on the top outside edge, right here, we'll do a full row of iron trap doors. And same thing on this side, a full row of iron trap doors right here. Now come up here, put a birch sign here, and we're going to do a bracket 3 equal signs, the opposite bracket. Then a bracket, 3 equal signs, opposite bracket. And do the same thing on this other side. So a bracket, 3 equal signs, bracket, bracket, 3 equal signs, bracket. Hit these with yellow dye and a glow ink sack for our headlights. Now come back here and we're going to put a sign under this door. Then we need to come into a loom here, light gray banner, orange dye, make the top half orange. Then go to red dye, put a horizontal on top and bottom. Go to light gray dye and put a light gray border on. And this is for all the taillights. So come back here, we're going to put one here and one here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed this Gazelle Businessman. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.